এভৰিৱান পুনৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ। আজি আমি গুৱাহাটী মহানগৰী এডোখৰ সুন্দৰ ঠাইত আছোঁ আৰু এই ঠাইডোখৰ হৈছে ফুডভিলা। দেখিবলৈ পাই আছে আপোনালোকে, চাব। আৰু মোৰ সন্মুখত আছে মোৰ আটাইতকৈ মৰমৰ বন্ধু বলিন্দ্ৰ সিং। তেওঁ এই ঠাইডোখৰৰ বিষয়ে কিছু সবিশেষ আপোনালোকক জনাব আৰু ভিডিঅ'টোত কিবা ভুলভ্ৰান্তি হৈ গ'লে আপোনালোকে ক্ষমা কৰি দিয়ে যেন।
হেল্ল' গাইজ, মোৰ নাম ভালিন্দ্ৰ সিং আৰু আপোনালোকে এই ভিডিঅ'টোত দেখা পাই আছে ফুডভিলা বহুত একচুৱেলি পিচফুল প্লেচ টু স্পেণ্ডিং অলছ' উইথ দ্য ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ এণ্ড অলছ' উইথ দ্য ফেমিলি এণ্ড চ' নাইচ প্লেচ একচুৱেলি। চ' আপোনালোকে ইয়াত আহিব পাৰে
আৰু জেগাবিলাক চাব পাৰে। ইয়াত বহুত ধুনীয়া ধুনীয়া প্লেচ আছে ভিতৰতে আৰু ধুনীয়া ধুনীয়া খাদ্যবিলাকবোৰতো আছেই। ইয়াত আহি পেলাই খাদ্যবোৰ টেষ্ট কৰিব, ভাল লাগিব নিশ্চয়। আৰু মই এই জেগাডোখৰ অলপ আপোনালোকক দেখাই দিছোঁ।
Hello guys, this is Bhalendra Singh and today we are going to introduce some beautiful ladies, and at the first time I would like to know their names. Please.
Bhashati.
What's your name?
Simi. Bhashati. Hello, my name is Vidisha.
Okay, guys, now I am going to tell you about the most important and beautiful places according to the Guwahatian publics. Okay, so at the first time I would like to ask you that what is the best place for the spirituality? Yeah, but spirituality in that case, in case of the temples.
Temples, Kamaikha, Balaji.
Is the best. Okay, that's nice. And the second was the best restaurant.
Best restaurant, Fat Belly.
Really? Okay, that's nice. And the next is the Assamese ethnic food.
Laru Pitha.
Okay. It is the best ethnic restaurant. Okay, next. Restaurant. When we go
Kharika.
Okay, cool. It's the nice one. And where is the best street food?
Street food, Street Ja, Pan Bazaar.
Pan Bazaar. Okay, it's nice. And the best incident in your life till now?
Incident. Actually, college moments are most best of my life, man. It means बहुत अच्छा, मतलब 3 years का था कॉलेज, तो वो तो सभी बेस्ट है.
Yes, that's true.
That's it.
And you, ma'am, please.
For me,
Yes.
the best moments was my college life,
Okay.
and I was the topper of economics department.
Wow. Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
Okay.
And this was my favorite incident.
Okay, ma'am. And I'm going to the third lady or girl.
College life, best life.
This line. Okay, it's nice. And ma'am, please.
Visit with my family for me is the best, and I think I'm the third topper of economics.
Okay, congratulations you again.
Thank you.
It's nice, guys. Hello guys, I'm coming to the next group, and in this group some boys parties are there. Yo man. Okay. So I'm trying to ask you on the basis of the best places. Okay, so according to you, what is the best spiritual place where you go and sit peacefully in a time? Okay.
Sumananda and also Kamaikha and Balaji Mandir, and there are many places that like that. In near we have the Jurpukuri.
Okay. And you?
Foodvilla only. Foodvilla and Kamakhya
Spiritual
temple.
place.
Special is Kamakhya only. We stay in there only. I stay in there only.
Okay.
We both.
Yes.
Same only.
According to you, the best restaurant in Guwahati city?
Best restaurant. There are many restaurants. I can say that some of them are. Street Ja
Okay.
and
Fat belly.
Fat belly.
My barbecue nation, always. Always.
Yes. This only food villa. Okay. The second thing is that the where you want to go with your family. Okay. To spend some time.
In Shillong.
Okay.
Shillong only.
Okay. According to you, what the Guwahatian people have the positive quality which other cities you cannot notice there. Okay.
People are nice here and they have a good.
Hello guys, I am coming to the most handsome, the person are. So I am just asking that them about the best spiritual place where you go and feel awesome.
Kamakya temple.
Hands up. Kalakshetra. Okay. Okay. The best restaurant according to you?
Barbecue nation.
Food villa. Food villa. Okay. It's nice. And what is the Assamese ethnic food restaurant?
Chutti logai kham.
Khorika. Okay. It's nice. And what do you think the Guwahatian peoples का ऐसा क्या nature है जो exceptional one? ये बहुत अच्छा है मतलब आप दूसरा place में यदि जाते हो तो comparatively दिखाई नहीं पड़ता उसको. The exceptional one.
हाँ, मैं जो देख रहा हूँ बहुत हेल्पफुल है. यहाँ का लोग बहुत हेल्पफुल है और दूसरों को बहुत मदद करता है.
गुवाहाटी का लोग तो बहुत अच्छा है, वो हेल्पफुल भी है.
Okay, it's nice. And what is the exceptional incident in your life? The exceptional one. Which you want to share with us, our friends in the YouTube?
एक्सेप्शनल इंसिडेंट क्या बताऊँ, बहुत है.
Okay. Sir? Okay. Done.